Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your shortcut radio modes for your 2020 Acura ILX A-Spec edition. So in order to access this feature, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the left hand side of the steering wheel, and once we get to the left hand side steering wheel, what we're going to do is going to click on the mode right here. And once we do click on that, give me a second, it's gonna give you all the shortcuts for all the type of stations that you can have, such as Sirius XM, which is satellite radio, FM radio, and AM radio. And it will also indicate on the center display that it is changed as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.